Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect your headphone Sony with a cable. And all you need to have to do in it is just mini jack to mini jack cable, but if your phone do not support it, you can connect it with a cable. So make sure that your phone have this port. And by the way, you can connect this cable to this port. And at the right ear cup, near to the charging port, we have the same aux port, so connect the second one right here. And that's it. After that, you can listen to music or watching a movie without turn on your headphones. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!